Mag-outing ngayon ng asawa ko. Christmas party daw nila. Galit na galit talaga ang mga tagyawa to. Isasama niya ako. Pero ako naligo na. Hindi kasi ako maliligo doon kasi saglit lang kami. Kasi may duty pa siya mamayang gabi. Tapos siya pumunta siya sa sa office kasi nagpapatulong magluto. Babalikan niya na lang daw ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung outing nila. Mamaya na lang. Siya lang pala.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build-up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect.
Hi! Nakauwi na kami. Char. Nakauwi na kami kanina pa. Ulit. Kanina pa kami nakauwi, mga 3:03 na. Nako. Susuko na sana yung asawa ko kung nasaan yung papaliguan nila. Kasi ang akala niya ay sa Oasis daw. Hindi kasi carry ng budget. Kaya doon na lang napunta sa... Wala namang pangalan yung... Basta doon sa may... Nakita nyo naman? Saan? Gusto po. Layo sa kaduluduluhan pa. Hindi naman siya nakaligo. Kasi pangit daw ng dagat. Yes. Malabo kasi, tsaka puyat din siya, hindi rin naman pwede talaga maligo. Tsaka siya talaga, literal siya ang nag-ihaw. Ihaw na naman. Pagdating kasi namin doon, wala pang masyadong, wala pang mga kakainin. Diba sabi ko sa una pumunta siya sa office ng umaga. Wala naman palang naluto. Siya pa daw naghiwa-hiwa doon. Tapos pagdating doon sa cottage, wala pa rin. Siya pa rin ang inantay. Siya ang nag-ihaw. Nakita ko rin yung tubig doon, yung may kanal doon, parang diretso naman sa dagat. Ang dumi-dumi naman ang kanal. Wala, maghapon lang nakaupo doon. Hindi naman ako naki-jamming kasi nahihiya naman ako. Hindi nga ako masyadong nag-video eh. Ayun lang ang kaganapan doon. Nakidaan lang pala sa uwis. Pabalik-balik kami doon kung nasaan yung mapaliguan kasi yung katawagan niya naman ay puro kaliwang sinasabi, hindi sabihin kung nasaan talaga. Ay, naku. Prank lang pala yung Oasis. Yun lang. Ang sakit magbiyayan, layo-layo, ang sakit sa pet. Pagod ako, mas pagod yung driver. Pag-uwi, plakda. Pumasok na yung asawa ko eh, kaya mag-isa na naman. See ya. Sana yun. Maraming salamat sa inyo, sa mga nanonood, sana may bago namang mag-subscribe. Thank you sa inyo.